Dear students, today we will start the revision for examination. Revision means better preparation for examination. Next 15th we will start your examination. It is very important to you, everybody must attend the examination for the promotion of another class. Now we are studying in 7th class without any hard work. Next year you will go to the 8th class. 8th class is the last class of the middle section. Then you will go to the high school. Okay. Here look, in your course from English reader annual examination, very less course. The course is very simple. You can easy study, you can easy learn, you will get easily hundreds out of 100 marks. The lesson number 2, and this lesson we had taken from the quarterly examination course. One lesson from quarterly examination course. Then next is lesson number 7. Lesson number 7 we have taken from half yearly examination. That means one lesson from quarterly course and one lesson from half yearly course. Okay. And this lesson, a new ideas of good manners. Some students talking, conversation gives us some new ideas in our mind. Very simple story. You can easily study it. A new idea of good manners. Then second lesson from half yearly examination, Akbar and Birbal, children's story, very simple story. Then annual examination course, we have studied only 3 lessons, lesson number 11, lesson number 12 and lesson number 13. Lesson number 11, gesture, it is a poem. You should study this poem. The poem will ask in the examination, you will get 5 or 10 numbers. Okay. Then lesson number 12, Sri Ramakrishna Paramhansa, article. The lesson number 13, a drama, words. And there is a similarities between the lesson number 2 and lesson number 3. The characters in lesson number 2 and lesson number 3 are the same. Some boys are talking, they are friendly talking, their conversation gives us some message or some new ideas in our life. Okay. This is about the English reader course. Then next is English grammar course. The grammar is very important. You should give more priority for grammar studies because grammar is the basic of any language. If you want to talk in English, speak in English, you want to write in English without any mistake, the grammar knowledge is very necessary, very essential. So every sentence has its own grammar. Now I am talking to in English, but I am using the grammar rules. All these sentences, what I am saying to you, that is based upon certain grammar rules, tense rules. So you must study it. Otherwise, you can't study English. It's a tough language, international language. But the continuous practice, continuous hard work, you can easily study English. You can easily talk in English to others. And here we selected only 3 lessons, the noun, pronouns and adjective. Noun, number of lessons, number of part in noun lessons, study. There is, don't try to by heart anything from the grammar. Study the formulas, study the rules. How can we solve the this grammar problems? Understand that logic, understand the technique, understand the theory. You can use your knowledge in any sentence. Then pronouns, adjective also, I think that about 15 part in adjective. That means noun, pronoun, adjective, number of kinds, number of types also. You should cover all the lessons very well. And this grammar study, that will be very useful to in your higher classes also. There is no need to study any grammar classes in your. Then if you study very well these lessons and up to 12th class in your otherwise your complete life, there is no need to further grammar studies. Only just maintain your grammar knowledge or flourish your grammar knowledge. That is we cover all the basic part. So try for the best. Don't waste your time. Keep the proper time for the proper studies. Make a timetable. Now you are sitting in your home. I think that you have no more any other works. And prepare a better timetable for better studies, and that will help for to get a better number in the examination. So try for the best. Don't miss this chance, these opportunities. Study well. Your only primary responsibility is studies. Now you have any other responsibilities in your life. Only studies. So concentrate your studies and try for the better number in the examinations. Okay. Best of luck. The next day we will start the revision work. One lesson we will cover every lesson. Yeah, I think that we can cover within 1 week. Only just revision work. So try for the best. Bye.